Samsung's newest phones, the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, have new Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processors, better stereo speakers, slimmer bezels, and gigabit LTE. But it's the cameras that are the biggest reason to upgrade, or so Samsung promises. So here are the details. Both S9 phones have 12-megapixel rear cameras with adjustable apertures, which is a unique feature for phones. It physically moves from an f2.4 to an f1.5 and can let in what Samsung says is 28% more light. It's supposed to take brighter shots in low light or higher quality shots in brighter light like an SLR does, or your eyes. The S9 Plus also adds a second 12-megapixel rear camera for 2x optical zoom, kind of like the Note 8. The S9 still only has one, but both phones take advantage of better processing and a faster ISP to deliver a promised 30% less noise in photos, taking 12 pictures to generate the best photo overall. Technically, DRAM on the new sensor makes the processor work up to 4 times faster, so Samsung says. Samsung's so-called super speed dual pixel tech promises to be as big an upgrade as the Galaxy S7 camera was to the S6. The 8-megapixel selfie cam is largely the same, but also gets better with an improved camera sensor and processing. One new processor-driven trick is super slow-mo. Forget 240 frames per second, this does 960, but in 720p and over a very short period of time, 0.2 seconds. It's activated by a motion trigger, like an exploding party favor. Afterwards, it defaults back to 30 frames per second. And there's AR too. AR selfies are an answer to Apple's Animoji or Google's AR stickers. I'm just gonna test this out, see how it works. Hi! The camera captures your face and converts it to an equivalent emoji, kind of like Bitmoji does. And then it suggests animated GIFs that you can send to friends. AR emoji can be created with the front or rear camera. And you can animate them too using your face and putting on various human or extremely non-human characters. But the level of face control isn't as good as Apple's True Depth camera. Cameras are used more as well with Samsung's Bixby Vision, a visual part of Samsung's AI. Added modes can live translate languages, add virtual makeup, scan food, and do quick calorie counts, and also do quick scan shopping at Sam's Club and Nordstrom's. Will better cameras make the S9 the best? We'll know more when we review it.